fewer companies have grown in stature as rapidly as Huawei. On a global scale, it's gone from being a company that builds devices for other companies, to being its own brand, with its own popular sub-brand, Honor, within a few short years, and one which is competing with Apple and Samsung on sales. A lot of this success has come down to a wide range of products to suit a number of different people and markets. There's the low-end Honor phones that offer amazing bang for buck, then there are devices like the Mate series with big screens and big batteries. But if there's one collection of phones that's your more traditional flagship, it's the P series, and we're fast approaching the time of year when Huawei would normally announce a new model. You may have gathered already, there seems to be some doubt about what the next P series will be called. While P11 would follow on sequentially from P8, P9 and P10, there's been some suggestion that this year, we're going to see the numbering skip from P10 to P20. This information was let slip during a Huawei event, when the CEO Rami Hazen informed his listeners that this next phone will be called the P20. It's probably no surprise, given the trends of 2017, to see rumors that Huawei will opt for a bezel-free screen with its P20 this year. The company has already adopted a minimal bezel display on the Mate series and in a couple of the Honor-branded mid-range phones. It's fast becoming the norm. The leaked schematics that have appeared so far suggest this to be the case. In fact, the design looks very similar to that of the Mate 10 and Mate 10 Pro. That's to say, if true, we'll see near to no bezel on the sides of the screen, but very slight framing on the top and the bottom, with a narrow fingerprint sensor squeezed onto the bottom bezel, beneath the display.